Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to buy stocks on the Yahoo Finance app. The first thing I want you to do is just launch the Yahoo Finance application on your mobile device, and here you'll find the various market updates and stocks. You can tap on any of these stocks, by the way, and you would be able to see the summary page. You can see the analysis as well. So you can just scroll down, you can go to the markets, you can choose the stocks options, and then you can just browse through the available stocks and their details. So when you find a stock you're interested in, you can just tap on it, and then you can go ahead and scroll down to go ahead and review more details about the stock, such as its performance and market trends. And you can also go ahead and set a price, by the way, and alert, for example, at 5% to be notified. So here you can set price alerts. So it'll basically notify you when the stock reaches that price. And then next what you can do is tap on view more to access additional options. And from there you can go ahead and proceed to buy that stock as well. Otherwise, it's honestly really that easy and simple. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.